Gareth, it's good to see you back in Cardiff, and you'll be here with your club August the 12th for the Super Cup against Sevilla.
Yeah, I think it's something that I looked at last season, and yeah, hoping it would be a kind of good omen to have the Super Cup here, and luckily for us that we won the Champions League, and it's amazing to be playing the Super Cup back in Cardiff, in my hometown.
It is ironic, isn't it? You know, you're from Whitchurch in Cardiff, and you'd think maybe growing up you might play for Cardiff City or play for someone at Cardiff City, but you're playing for one of, if not the biggest clubs in the world back home.
Yeah, it's quite a story, but it was a great season for us last year, especially to win the Champions League, and yeah, to be back now in Cardiff to have a chance to win the Super Cup as well, especially in my hometown. It's going to be an amazing experience for me, for the city as well, to host such a big game, and yeah, I'll be able to have my family here as well, all supporting me.
You'd never have thought that growing up when Ninian Park was there instead of the Cardiff City Stadium, that it'd host such a match.
No, exactly. I think that shows the city how much it's grown, and how better it's getting all the time, and I think to be able to hold such a game like the Super Cup is showing that Welsh football's grown as well, and Cardiff as a city is growing, and it's able to hold such a massive event.
And it's another Spanish club. I think 7-3, wasn't it, one of the games you played them in the Bernabeu last season?
Yeah, I remember 7-3 was, I think I got on the score sheet twice that game, and yeah, there was a lot of goals back and forth. I don't even think I remembered the score halfway through, but no, they're a good team. They beat us away from home, and yeah, it'll be a great game, a great spectacle, and yeah, hopefully we can get the victory.